If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipe.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. It's a beautiful day outside, it's a sunny day outside, and I was like, why not make something amazing? And sorry about that. So this recipe is going to be my first time making it, and it's a little different variation of egg curry. And we love egg curry so much, so let me just give you a little bit about this recipe. So I have some eggs and potato here, and this sauce is called Hot Vindaloo, and I found this in Publix. So now I have seen it. Nowadays you can find this sauce like in all the stores like Walmart, Publix, Trader Joe's, and all the stores. So I think there has to be something in the sauce that it's getting super, famous kind of thing. So it's a hot variation. You can also get it in mild and low, but this is like Hot Vindaloo, and it has very less ingredients today because I don't think so I've been eating any more ingredients because of this sauce. So, and don't worry guys, this is not a paid promotion or something. I just wanted to try it for myself. I wanted to see how it is, and I thought of sharing this recipe with you guys because I'm trying a new sauce here, and this, I'm saying if, but I'm sure it's gonna be a hit, this dish. So let's get started. Show you the ingredients. I have 4 eggs here, and I have 2 potatoes cut in like this cubes, not cubes, like the size potatoes. I have some salt, turmeric, paprika. I have fresh cilantro chopped, the Hot Vindaloo sauce, and some canola oil. So let me just start showing you what to do, how to do, and super excited. And also, if you want the exact recipe for this dish here, check the description box below. It'll take you to my link. The link will take you to my website. You can check out the entire recipe. You can also check out some more other recipes and enjoy. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna take some canola oil and drizzle on my egg and potatoes. This is just my variation of doing it, and I'm gonna call it egg vindaloo. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call this egg vindaloo. So this is just my version. I've not seen it anywhere because this is my first time using the sauce. So drizzle some oil. I'm gonna add very little bit of salt to it because the sauce already has salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric and a little bit of paprika. And now I'm just gonna mix this really nicely. And these are boiled eggs, so they won't break or something when you mix them. Okay, now that I've mixed them, my pan is heating over there, so let's go over there today. Okay, my pan is heating over high heat, and I'm gonna add a little bit of canola oil. I'm just adding a little bit because I've already added in the eggs and potato here. And I'm just gonna take the potatoes and place it here. I'm not gonna take the eggs now. I'll be cooking the potatoes for like 7 to 8 minutes until they are almost cooked, and then I'm gonna add egg and saute them just so the egg gets a nice good color from the outside. So but for now I'm just gonna cook up I'm not gonna cover it with the lid. I'm just gonna let it saute, get crispy from the outside and soft from the inside. So I'm just gonna let them sizzle over here. And once they are done, or once they're halfway done, I'm gonna show it to you then. So I've been cooking it for like 4 to 5 minutes, and you can see the nice crisp and everything on the potatoes. And now I am going to add the eggs. And now the heat is low because we don't want to burn the egg. So I'm just going to saute it for like another 1 or 2 minutes, and then add in the sauce. The potatoes look so good. They are already crisp and everything. Oh my god, they look delicious. So I'll just wait for the eggs to have a nice color on the outside and a slight crispiness, and then I will show it to you then. Now you can see it has a really nice color. The eggs also look beautiful. The potatoes definitely look beautiful. And now finally I'm going to be adding this sauce here. Oh my god. I'm not going to be adding the entire sauce because it is way too much. Oh my god. You see the creaminess of this sauce here. Woo! It looks beautiful. I'm just gonna coat everything with the sauce, and then yeah, that's perfect. Now medium heat. I'm gonna cover it with a lid and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes until they are all done. My potatoes are done and everything. Eggs are already done. So yeah, just waiting for the potatoes to be done, and then this dish is gonna be ready. And I'll show it to you when it's done. Guys, are you like even seeing this curry over here? Oh my god, this looks delicious. Look at the color. I mean, the more I was boiling, the more darker it was getting. And wow, it smells amazing over here. So everything is done. The final thing that I'm going to do is, I have this fresh cilantro here. I'm going to sprinkle this all over the dish. So I'm going to mix this much and then sprinkle the rest on the top. Oh wow, it looks delicious. And so this is almost done, and I'm also going to show you with what I'm going to pair this dish with and how I'm going to serve it. So yeah, this is done. I have to say this dish is going to be delicious, and the things that I'm preparing with, the entire meal is going to be bomb. So I'll see you once I start plating it. Okay guys, so it is ready. You can see the dish is beautiful. It looks beautiful. It smells beautiful, and the color and everything, it looks so appetizing. So what I'm serving it with, I'm serving it with some pea pulao, and I have some onion and tomato salad over here. So you can find this recipe in my YouTube channel. I will give the link in the description box below for the pea pulao. And let me take some in my plate here. Oh my god, I'm going to take a piece of egg. Wow. Some potato. A little bit of the gravy. Or the curry, whatever you want to call it. And now let's do the taste testing. It's delicious. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my god. So I'm going to take a little bit of egg, some rice. It's hot, so I just be careful. The flavor is so bold, and yet you can like differentiate that it has this and it has this, and it's really good. It has a little bit of tanginess, which is actually very good. It tickles in your tongue, but which is very good. And I love the flavors. Oh my god, I love it. I really love it. So I'm sure that this dish is going to be a hit for you guys also. You guys are gonna love it. And that is it for today. If you guys like my recipes, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share my recipes with your friends and family. And I will see you in my next recipe. So till then, bye bye.